Dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods here in this Berkeley, California, an epicenter of innovation and creativity. And today we're going to be making a very special festive salad. We're going to be making a sunchoke salad. Sunchokes are Native American foods. Helianthus tuberosa, part of the sunflower family. They are bountiful. They're very, very easy to grow. I cannot and I urge you to plant sunchokes in your garden. Plant them as soon as the ground can be worked, and they will come up in May. And by the end of summer, they will yield you a bountiful crop, nutritious, vibrant, and alive. So, sunchokes, Helianthus tuberosa. So we're going to be making a sunchoke salad. And so let's begin by giving them a whirl in our processor. And now let's put this in our salad bowl. Okay. And now let's add some apples, and we'll start with Newtown Pippin, George Washington's favorite. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And how about a black twig? Goes way back in American history. Black twig apple, a pioneering apple indeed. So here we go. So we have our sunchokes and our apples, and that's the let's give that a swirl. Okay. And to this I would like to add some pitted medjool dates. These are our beautiful medjool dates grown here in California. And the purpose of all this, as you've guessed, is to exemplify aliveness, even in these times of delirium, of hysteria. We have got to stand up and be counted as exemplars of vivacity, exemplars of what alive and organic truly means. So here we have our diced and pitted medjool dates. We're going to be adding them. And now how about some Smyrna figs? This is a wondrous fig from Turkey, organic, but of course. So Smyrna figs, you'll find them in our catalog. The difficulty with them is that once you start, it's so hard to stop eating them. So we're going to dice some Smyrna figs, and let's add these. How about another one? Okay. Smyrna fig. And and now, what salad would be complete without kale, of course, the most nutritious of greens? So here's some magnificent kale. And how about a bit of lettuce, just harvested? Magnificent lettuce. Now let's give all this a mix. Okay. And now, you've guessed it, the salad dressing. And let's begin with our Living Tree Alive Organic Tahini, made from sesame seeds grown in Mexico, organic, but of course. So, here in the blender, we'll put a couple heaping tablespoons, maybe about a cup or so of tahini. Okay. And our California family farm olive oil, grown on a magnificent 2,000-acre farm in Northern California, by a wonderful farming family. They're very enterprising. The olives are processed and made into oil right on the farm itself. So let's put a couple heaping tablespoons of olive oil. And then some cloves of garlic, but of course. And how about some lime or lemon juice? Okay, let's put that the peeled lime in there also. And let's give this a whirl. Seems to me a bit more olive oil. And while we're at it, a pinch of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt, one of our favorites here at Living Tree Community, pinch of salt. Okay. And now we have this wonderful, let's pour on the dressing. Okay. And now what about adding, for color and ecstasy, some of our persimmons, Living Tree persimmons. Gorgeous orange red color. And what about some of our Living Tree mango slices? Just the thing, by the way, when you're hiking or backpacking, take some of these along with you. They are a picker-upper. They're so good, they're so delicious. Organically grown, but of course, So, My dearest, here we have it. Our Living Tree Heliantho tuberosa salad, a Native American food. Sunchokes to you, but of course, nutritious, vibrant, and alive. And we've added apples, medjool dates, Smyrna figs, our persimmons, our mango, and a vivacious dressing featuring our Living Tree Alive Organic Tahini and our California Farm olive oil. So we wish you vibrant good health in these days ahead. To you and your family, it is our privilege and our pleasure to share with you. Your comments and suggestions are always welcome. You might want to think about hitting the like button, and please subscribe. My privilege. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters.